I'm going to an art gallery tonight. That's cool. My friend Akash is an artist. He's displaying his work there. I love art. I paint in my spare time. Really? I didn't know that. My friend is a sculptor. आप सभी को मेरा प्रणाम. My name is Arvind Kannaujiya and I warmly welcome you on my channel The Develop Mind. आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ कि मैं अपनी इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस कैसे करता था और अभी भी करता हूँ. इट इज़ 100% ऑथेंटिक एंड प्रैक्टिकल वे टू प्रैक्टिस. आपको ज़्यादा कुछ करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बस आपको ये वीडियो पूरा देखना है. बाकी का काम ये वीडियो कर देगा. But you have to make sure when you watch this, you have to be very attentive, careful and focused so that you don't miss any important part. So without any delay, let's get started. वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि मैंने अपने पिछले वाले वीडियो में कहा था कि आपको सिर्फ इंग्लिश में बात करने वाले ही वीडियो देखने चाहिए. अगर आप रियली में अपना इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव करना चाहते हो तो हिंदी वाले वीडियो नहीं. लेकिन यहाँ पर मैं हिंदी में बात कर रहा हूँ, तो मैं आपको बता दूँ कि आप हिंदी वाले वीडियो देखकर भी अपना इंग्लिश इम्प्रूव कर सकते हैं अगर उस वीडियो के नीचे इंग्लिश सबटाइटल आ रहा हो तो. मैं ये नहीं कहता कि जो हिंदी में एक्सप्लेन करते हैं कि अपनी इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव कैसे करें वो गलत बताते हैं. जी नहीं, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. दे एक्सप्लेन ईच एंड एवरी स्टेप्स करेक्टली. What I mean to say, you have to surround yourself with English environment. That's it. And for that, you have to listen, watch each and everything in English. That's it. तो अगर आप कोई हिंदी वाले वीडियो देख रहे हैं और उसके नीचे इंग्लिश सबटाइटल आ रहा है, then it is worthwhile to watch. Otherwise, it is totally waste of time. Back to the point. How did I practice my English speaking? I used to watch real English conversation video where two people used to talk on some topic in English. It wasn't a long video, probably it was 3 or 4 minutes video, and I used to watch each and every single day. So you have to do the same. Watch real English conversation video each and every single day. Let me show you a demo. I have two friends with me. They are going to speak about today's topic, going to art gallery. So let's see that. I'm going to an art gallery tonight. That's cool. My friend Akash is an artist. He's displaying his work there. I love art. I paint in my spare time. Really? I didn't know that. My friend is a sculptor. Sculpting? That's fascinating. Would you like to come with me tonight? I can't. I already have plans. He's going to be displaying his work all week. Would you like to go tomorrow night? Sure, I would love to. I can introduce you to him. He always loves talking to people about art. I don't know that much about it. I just really enjoy looking at it. I don't know a lot about art either. I'm just going to support him tonight. You are a good friend. What is your interest? I prefer music. I love music too, but painting is my passion. I would like to see your work one day. I can show you some right now. I have them on my wall. Let's go see them. So how was that? It was cool, wasn't it? So you have to do the same. Watch real English conversation video each and every single day and practice the same. If you like the video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel and share it with all your friends. I'll see you in the next video with an amazing topic. Till then, pranam.